Good evening, gentlemen. My name is Lavish Tyagi. I hail from district Meerut in UP, which is famous for the revolt of 1857. Gentlemen, if we talk about my qualification, I have completed my class 12 in 2019 with 90% of marks. Nowadays, I am pursuing BSc from Chaudhry Charan Singh University, Meerut. There are 4 members in my family, including me. My father is a farmer and my mother is a domestic manager. I am his aficionado. My avocation are reading books and newspaper in my spare times. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's given me not only an adventurous life but also an opportunity to serve my nation with glory. Jai Hind.
Jain friends, my name is Harinder Singh Rathod and I hail from Jaipur, Rajasthan. It is famous for World Heritage City. I have passed my 12th examination with 88% aggregate marks. In my family, there are 4 members and my father is a source of inspiration for me. Loyalty and punctuality are my positive strength. My avocations are reading newspaper and playing football. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me opportunity to serve my nation with pride. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jay Gautam. I am from Alwar, Rajasthan. Good evening, everyone. My name is Jay Gautam. I am from Alwar, Rajasthan, which is famous for Kalakan. I have passed my class 12 from CBSE board. Currently, I am pursuing BSc first year from RRBMU University. There are 6 members in my family. My father works in an NGO. He is my source of inspiration. My mother is a housewife. My strength is that I am punctual. My hobby is playing kabaddi. I received Rashtrapati Award in Scout and Guide. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me not only an adventurous life but also an opportunity to serve the nation with pride. Thank you very much.
Good evening, friends. My name is Vikrant Rajora. I come from Bulandshahr in Uttar Pradesh. I have completed intermediate in 2018 with 74 marks. I am an athlete and represented my school in 400-meter run at both national and state level, where I won bronze and gold medal respectively. I am eager and inquisitive to learn new things. I want to join Indian Air Force as I was deeply inspired by my maternal grandfather who has been in Air Force for over 30 years now. Thank you, guys.
A very good afternoon to sir and all my dear friend. Gentlemen, I am Manshu. I hail from Delhi, which is famous for historical places like Red Fort, Qutub Minar. I passed my intermediate from CBSE board with 80% of marks. There are 5 members in my family. My father name is Suresh Dubedi, who is doing a private job, and my mother is a homemaker. My hobby is to play cricket and listen to music. Gentlemen, I want to join Indian Air Force because it provides social respect and it is not only a job, it is an opportunity to do something for our nation. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Maksing Rajpurohit. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan, which is also known as Sun City of India. I passed my intermediate in 2018 with 86% marks from Rajasthan board. And presently, I am pursuing DLED from Marwar Shikshan from Jodhpur. My family consists of 8 members, including me, my father, Mr. Dungar Singh, who is a farmer, and I am his aficionado. My strength is that I am very gregarious person and also very punctual. My vocations are reading newspapers and playing footballs. Now coming to my aim. I always want to serve my nation, but serving the nation did not mean to join any of 3 forces. I am doing it by any social works. But Indian Air Force is the best diamond in crown of India, so I want to join it. Thanks you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Bhupesh Pandey. I belong to Nainital, Uttarakhand, which is famous for its tourism. I have completed my intermediate from CBSE board by scoring 88 percentile of marks. I have also completed my graduation by scoring 67 percentile of marks. There are 4 members in my family. My father, Mr. Naveen Chandra, is a retired army man. He is source of inspiration to me. My mother, Mrs. Rekha Pandey, is an housemaker. We are 2 siblings. My strength is I am punctual, hardworking, and responsible. My avocation is playing football. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me an opportunity to serve the nation and as well as an adventurous life. Thank you.
Good evening, gentlemen. My name is Tulsi Das. I come from Projavad, which is famous for bangles and glass production in the world. I passed intermediate with 78% mark from UP board. At currently, I am pursuing BSc from Agra University. My family consists of 6 members. My father, Mr. Dinesh Chandni, farmer. I am the aficionado of my parents. Perseverance is my strength. My avocation is playing cricket. I am an NCC cadet as well as good runner. I want to join the Air Force because I want to be the part of those warriors who previously felt but are seldom seen in the sky.
Jai Hind to all air warriors. My name is Ratnesh Singh. I hail from Mathura district in UP, which is famous for the birthplace of Lord Krishna. I passed my 12th from UP board with science stream. Currently, I am pursuing my BSc. Apart from my parents, we are 3 siblings. My parents have always been my source of inspiration. Perseverance is my strength, and my avocation is to play kabaddi. Friends, I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me not only an adventurous life but also an opportunity to serve my nation with pride. Thank you.
Good evening, gentlemen. I am Aditya Dama from Meerut, UP, and I am passed my 12th class from CBSE board. My father, Mr. Yogesh Kumar, he is a farmer. My mother name is Sheila Dama. She is a housewife. We are 2 siblings. Other one, Ashish Kumar, he studied in 10th class. And my hobby is to reading books and to learn something new. And I want to join the Indian Air Force because I want to exist in both the profession as a farmer and as a soldier. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. My name is Mayank Kaushik. I hail from Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for sugar industry. I passed my 12th from Red Road Public School in 2017. Currently, I am pursuing my ITI from Infantry College, Deoband. There are 4 members in my family. My father is Mr. Sarvan Kaushik, is a farmer. I am his aficionado. My mother is Mrs. Meenakshi Kaushik, is a housewife. Perseverance is my forte. My avocation is playing football. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me not only an adventurous life but also an opportunity to serve my nation with pride.
A very warm and humble good evening to everyone. I am Vinay Kumar Singh from Buxar, Bihar, which is famous for the Battle of Buxar, which was fought in 1764. I have completed my high school in 2018 and currently pursuing graduation in BSc Physics. My hobbies are to do exercise in free time and listening music. I always wanted to be the part of Indian Defence Services because this job not only gives the opportunity to serve my motherland, but also gives a better way of life full of adventures, challenges, and discipline, which is a core value of a defense personnel. Working with Indian Air Force will be proud to me and I'll be fortunate for this. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Bhupendra Baghela. I belong to Sajapur, MP. I passed class 12th with 87% marks. At present, I am pursuing BSc from Barkatullah University. There are 4 members in my family. My father, Mr. Moti Singh Baghela, is a farmer. My mother, Mrs. Sunita Baghela, is a housewife. I am the aficionado of my parents. My strength is my self-confidence and my occasion is running. I wanted to join Indian Air Force because I always want to be part of those warriors whose presence are felt but are seldom seen in the sky. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. My name is Nitin Jain. I hail from Gwalior, which is famous for its stunning beauty and rich cultural heritage. I completed my class 12 in 2018 with 91% marks from MP board. Now I am pursuing BSc from Gwalior University. My family consists of 6 members. My father is a shopkeeper. My mother is a homemaker. I am aficionado of my parents. Perseverance is my strength. My vocations are playing chess and cricket. I want to be a part of those warriors whose presence is felt but are seldom seen in the sky. Thank you.